What's up? Welcome to another video. This is episode number 5 on the drift car. Getting a new look. Got the kids loaded up in Patsy. Got the big dishy wheels in the back. Go see Andrew and Ross and Marty and bloody Carl. All the boys down at Knox tyrepower. Get these tyres stripped off and then we'll drop the wheels off to Brendan to get sandblasted and powder coated. And then we'll drop into Bunnings, grab some bits so we can tear more of that crap out of the boot. All that body deadener and silicone and all the other crap that's holding it together. So Benjamin can weld some more metal into her and make her stronger. Yes.
It's not a girl.
It's not a girl. Ryder keeps pulling me up saying the drift car is a boy.
It is a boy, that's why.
Sure it's not a girl?
It's a boy.
Okay, so I've got to stop saying she. We're going to do this for her and da 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 da. Yeah?
I'm like, Patsy's a girl,
Honda's a girl,
and the Ruby's a girl.
and Ruby's a girl. Alright, everyone up to date?
And the rest of boys.
And the rest are boys. Hope everyone's up to date on that. Anything else you'd like to say? Say the wheels are going to go out the window. Very good. Yeah, they're not going to fall out the window. Relax. New motor, new gears. Oh no. Hello, Andrew.
Hi mate.
What have we got here? Aeroplane tyres. New big motor.
Drag 6 mate.
Drag 6. What do you reckon, guys? Cool story. Thank you, Andrew, for stripping them. He's like a dentist. He doesn't want to be on camera, but we'll thank him. Call him if you need anything cool down at Knox Tyrepower, one of my best sponsors. Love him. He does give me hugs. Doesn't hide it. And you see Martin, you tell him to get stuff when you see him. And they also repair kids' scooters. Got me new Sharky Rays, and I got me new Sharky car. Oh God, I got a fat ass. Jesus, you're tall. Bam, boy. Fits me like a glove. So these sunnies. Double sunnies. Can never be too protected. Oh, drift bit battlers. Treat yourself, Sharky. Damn. Thank God I got your sunnies on. People that don't know, this is Shane Crowther, aka Sharky's VZ blown 6-litre weapon. Check him out. You won't. You big whistly boy. She's tough. Who are you?
Some.
I'll blip that out.
Oops, that's the wrong word. My bad.
Who are you?
Some weird
Person?
Yep, that one.
Ash Kelly from AK Wheels is going to fix my dented wheel and keep it right off because it's getting powder coated. Amazing. Thank you, sir. Come down and get your wheels done. You won't. You won't. It's fucking slim.
What's going on, mate?
Oh, you're gorgeous. Come here. Andy, what the hell's he doing under? Jesus. How are you?
Long time no see.
Fucking hell. Stop working on shit. And how about you? Come here.
Thanks, Dad.
Got me wheels done?
Yeah, fixed it. All good.
Come on, hotshot. Show us,
Show you some more mess.
show us the damage. How'd you go, Shane?
Good to go.
Look at you. Stop it. That, my friends, is amazing. Check out Ash. He's a good 1 to week away turnaround,
Yeah,
but can get it sorted.
The beers are involved, it's a bit quicker.
Quicker. All right.
Occasionally.
Love your work. Thank you very much. Check out AK Wheels. You won't. Moving on to another little job that has to be done is painting these lights. They've been through hell and back, losing their paint. So we will strip these. I haven't got the pinstripes yet. Didn't know whether to paint them or just do the stickers again. I think we'll do the stickers. See where I've tapped a wall there, or a tyre wall. And I'm just going to paint it in this sort of stuff. Bang, bang. Matte black. Very, very easy. So we'll strip these and get it all sorted.
Now is my time to shine. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and unto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite. Flame of intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you instead of wishing. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. When your time...
Okay, I've got them all prepped and taped off. Give it a bit of a primer. See how that goes. Hopefully it comes up alright. Just remember, this is not a show car, this is a bloody race car. Before everyone starts yelling at me. Okay, I'll let that dry and give it another coat later. This one has bubbled up. Don't know if you can see that. Oh yes, you can definitely see that. So I think I'll let that dry and rub it back and then paint it up later. Okay, they've come up pretty good. Not good, not bad. Good for a race car, that's what it is. So they should matte off a little bit because I'm hoping he gave me matte black. If not, that's the black they're going. I'll organise some pinstripes, lay them down, and then she'll look like GT stripes, baby. I've also just pulled off the rear boot garnish, and yeah, she's definitely had some better days. She's very bent on the piss, but me being me, and I love my sort of memorabilia from the car or mementos, so I'm going to keep this one as a memento. So when I die, you can buy all these parts, and they're all going to be worth no money, about that $1 right there. But I did find this, and I've got a mint one out the back, and I found 2 chromes for the bonnet. So bit of a win for my Tuesday night. So might leave that badge there for now, and then I'll get one of the boys to make up a new sort of GT badge or XYY not, something different on the new look. So we'll clean this up and paint this up as well. Okay, I've let that dry. I've found some 6mm bloody, just sass bloody shitty bloody pinstripe tape that I did the lights and stuff ages ago. That's what it turned up like. Show me little bits. Pretty sure this is dry enough now. Probably not. That one's not. As you see, I'm pretty amazing setup here. Yeah, well, how was that for a guess? They're meant to be painted. I don't care. Whatever, Trevor. Wet. Still a little wet. Just the way we like it. Should have thought of this earlier. What am I going to use to push the sticker down? That wasn't too bad. Normally these are grey, but clearly I don't do traditional. Yeah, you dickhead, you put a bloody Allison Fords. Yep, get that on the big jobs. That, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, is how you do dodgy XY tail lights. Not bad. I can't see what you're looking at, so I'll move. There you go. Bloody beautiful. Can tail light. Amazing. Have a look at these, why don't you? Just whip them up overnight, put them in the oven. They've come up pretty mint for a backyard job. Anyone got any good glass or tips on how is like they're a paint or tinter or something I can refurbish these? If not, if you've got some good ones, mine have got cracks and everything because I've hit walls, been a muppet drifting. Hook us up. I'd like to buy them. Okay, next little procedure for drift car. We've got young Patrick, another awesome mate who's a wicked fabricator, and we'll be doing a video on wasabi soon. What have you got there, Patrick?
Rocket covers.
Rocket covers.
Weld on nipples.
Weld on nipples. Thanks, Zoo. A new catch cam, so we're going to take these other ones off, weld them little bungs there. Get it done. Another job off the list. Tick, tick. Another visitor. Classic Tom's arrived. True. Haven't seen this guy forever.
What have you done to it? It used to be orange.
Yeah. That's right. It says it's blue now. It's got blue on it and
It does.
orange and all sorts of other silly things.
Looks good, mate.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah.
Looks better from behind here, and if I go off that, it looks pretty good.
No, it doesn't.
No, it doesn't, does it?
Yeah, it doesn't look like you've got really much to go. Like, I know what you were saying the other day, that you want to have someone under over it, but you've done a pretty good job from what I can tell.
Yeah. Ben's going to finish the boot, and I want someone with a professional eye to sort of look at this guard.
Yep.
I don't know whether I should just keep going back on it or...
Yeah, okay.
Dad, what happened to that?
Well, I've fixed it.
I saw it in the video put boxes up there.
Yeah, yeah. Made up new bits of metal. Yeah. Cool story.
You made a big box in.
Yeah, I made a big box in there. Yeah. All right. Tune in later. That'll wrap it up for this one, guys. Thanks to all the people involved that you saw. Knox Tyrepower for stripping all the wheels. Ash Kelly at AK Wheels for making my wheel not dented anymore. Thank you, Ash, you legend. That is at another mate's work getting powder coated or blasted and powder coated, yeah. So they should come back nice. There's no secret reveal on what colour they are. They're just standard white, but should look good with the new look. Pat, he's got the rocker covers. He's going to weld the bungs and stuff so I can get my new zoo catch can mounted up and run all the lines for that. And as you saw, the tail lights have all come up, so I'm slowly moving along, getting things done. Might tackle the exhaust as well, just ticking things off the list. Yes, nothing much is happening here because I need the pros, because I want those lines looking amazing. So waiting on a mate, just waiting for a mate. All right, enjoy, like, comment and subscribe. Share the video around if you like it. Tell everyone I'm a Muppet, because I am. They might like my funny shit too. So have a good one.